Today I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your ActiveCampaign site using DropInBlog. I'm already in the back end of my ActiveCampaign site, and I'll select Add New Page on the right-hand side. Here you can select any template you would like, but I'm going to select a blank one. Perfect. Now you can rename your page. I'm just going to name mine blog and hit save. And now on the left-hand side, you'll select pages. And now we can see our brand new blog page. So hover over it and select View Page Settings. And now we need to copy some code from DropInBlog. So I already have that open on another tab. I'll head over there, and under Code and Layout on the top menu, I'm going to copy Step 1's code, go back to ActiveCampaign, and paste that into the body section, and then select Save. Then we can scroll up and select Edit Design. Now I need to add a section block to input our blog wherever you would like on the page. So I'm going to drag and drop section. And now we need to add a embed block as well. So I scrolled down on the right-hand side and select embed and drop that over the new section block. Perfect. Then we will double click. And now we'll head back over to DropInBlog, scroll down and copy Step 2's code, go back over to ActiveCampaign, and we will just paste that right in here on the right-hand side, and then select the blue check mark. Perfect. Now you can select Publish Page, and then select Publish. Then next to blog at the top, click these three dots and then select Get URL. So we will copy this URL, go back over to DropInBlog, scroll up and head to Settings. Now under blog URL, we'll paste in our brand new URL from ActiveCampaign, scroll down and select Save All Changes. Now we'll go back to ActiveCampaign. We can close this out. Click those three dots again and select View Live. And now we can see that our DropInBlog has successfully integrated with ActiveCampaign, and we have all of our individual blog posts right here and ready to go in a brand new blog page. So this is how you integrate or add a blog to your ActiveCampaign site using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!